Hi, I'm Erica. I'm on the board here at Community Ecology Institute. I'm a master gardener as well as a chef. I'm sitting here in our Climate Victory Garden at Freetown Farm, and why don't you come with me and check it out? Welcome to CEI's Climate Victory Garden at Freetown Farm. So what is a Climate Victory Garden? Inspired by the Victory Garden campaigns in the early 1900s to grow food gardens to support the U.S. and its allies during World War I and II, our Climate Victory Garden is the modern-day campaign to grow gardens that are maintained with methods that support the regeneration of the planet. When we grow plants in healthy soils, rich with biodiversity above and below the ground, we ditch the chemicals and disturb the soil as little as possible. These practices make our plants very healthy. Healthy plants have the ability to sequester carbon, and carbon sequestration is one of the known solutions to reversing climate change. CEI's Climate Victory Garden is the second to be certified in the state of Maryland by Green America, and it's going to be used as a demonstration garden to inspire people to take local action that has a positive impact on the global issue of climate change. It's July, prime time growing season here in Maryland Zone 7, and things are booming in our Climate Victory Garden. We have potatoes, green beans, cucumbers, Swiss chard, tomatoes, beets, okra, peppers, zucchini, and herbs, all growing and producing. Thank you so much for joining us today in our Climate Victory Garden. I hope you enjoyed. If you'd like to get involved, come on out to the farm or just learn a little bit more about Freetown Farm in general, please check us out on our website or social media profiles. And we really do hope to see you here soon. See you later.